Good news for Kaizer Chiefs, good news for Kaizer Chiefs fans, because I have some good news for you guys. Langelihle Phili might be our next signing because his deal is edging closer. And there is a twist on the story, so there's a lot happening, guys, on this Langelihle Phili deal because Stellenbosch are stubborn. And also, I have another big update on Ulilep and his situation. You all know what's kwenzakalani. And also, Isaac Cisse, big update. We bid farewell to our former number 10, Gaston Sereno, has finalized his move to Durban City. So, Bafethu, without further ado, without more information, let's just jump straight into the video together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from Great Town. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa. So bafethu, make sure to subscribe to the channel. You know the drill. Comment down below, like the video, and please watch the full video bafethu, just to boost my my YouTube channel, so YouTube can recognize my content very well. So thank you guys for your support. If you are watching this channel without subscribing, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I have big news for Kaizer Chiefs. Yonke nje lele from the last week I had some big news, and namhlanje nginiphathele some big news. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel because uzosala, because kuningi okusazoza, because this week is supposed to be one of the biggest weeks of Kaizer Chiefs in terms of signings and player going out. So make sure you stay tuned. Bafethu, Mazola dropped a huge updates of Ulangelihle Phili. You know, we've been following the story of Ulangelihle Phili. Siyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi ama-fans e-Kaizer Chiefs, they want the boy to come to Kaizer Chiefs. In case of Ulilepo leaves Kaizer Chiefs, I don't know, but Langelihle Phili is edging closer than we might imagine. Is edging very closer. He will become a Kaizer Chiefs player in any time soon. Because the deal Kaizer Chiefs is offering to Stellenbosch is crazy, is undeniable. So watch the space on Ulangelihle Phili. Mazolo dropped a huge update on him because we all know that Kaizer Chiefs want to swipe him with Ashley Dupree, as Stellenbosch would love to reunite with their former player Ashley Dupree. But the twist is Kaizer Chiefs have added another player on that deal of Ulangelihle Phili. That's how much they value him. But my concern is, who is that player? Because now I'm starting to fear that Kaizer Chiefs might make a wrong decision for one player. I wonder who's that player. Do you guys think who do you guys think is that player, or who do you guys would like be okay if Kaizer Chiefs include him with Ashley Dupree on this deal of Ulangelihle Phili? Because me, I'm confused. I am scared that Kaizer Chiefs bengenza something wrong and something that will affect our squad very bad. I'm not thinking of any player that we can include to that Langelihle Phili deal, because Ashley Dupree is worth money. And if they add another player who's worth same amount of Ashley Dupree, hey, Langelihle Phili is costing a lot, because in top of that, two players that they are offering Stellenbosch, they are willing to pay another cash on top of that. So I am scared that Kaizer Chiefs might let go of one of our good or promising players. So who do you guys think Kaizer Chiefs will swipe for Ulangelihle Phili? We all know about Ashley Dupree, but the second player, hey, It's hard, Bafethu. Let's move on to uLilepo's situation. We all know what's kwenzakalani ngaye. I've been updating you. If you don't know, you can check my last video, or yeah, check my last videos. You will see we've been talking about Lilepo, who wants to like move from Kaizer Chiefs to start a new journey to another club, another league, fresh start. Yabo. So his agent is pushing hard for Lilepo to move from Kaizer Chiefs. Lilepo will be happy to join a club from Northern Africa, so Egypt, Morocco, those countries nje lapho ngaphezulu. So and those clubs are bidding money for Lilepo. As we all know, ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs refused to terminate Lilepo's contract. So they prefer to sell him rather than to lose him as a free agent. So clubs are coming in with money, and I won't say the amount because I'm not sure. The amount hasn't been revealed by the trusted sources. They are just rumors. Yeah. So I won't come here and tell you the amount because I would be lying. So there's an amount there, and a player is willing to go, and his agent is pushing really hard for Lilepo to start a new season with a new club. So it's obvious that Lilepo, his chances to leave Kaizer Chiefs are getting higher and higher every day. So yeah, I think, and also that's why Kaizer Chiefs are pushing so hard to get Langelihle Phili, so because he might be his replacement. I don't know, but yeah, things are happening lapha eNaturena. Another big story I have for you is the story of Isaac Cisse. If you know, we've been speaking about Isaac Cisse. Now the story have broken out, maybe yesterday or a day before, that Isaac Cisse he is joining Belgium League from Arrows. So we might as well just wrap him off to one of the players that Kaizer Chiefs are interested in, or the players that Kaizer Chiefs are linked with. Yeah, we are not getting Isaac Cisse. Mina, I'm frustrated because bengimfisa lo mjisa azodlala i-Kaizer Chiefs. His movement on the ball, off the ball, his control of the ball, his ability to go and mark the ball is incredible. Indlela asebenza ngayo on the pitch is incredible, but yeah, akekho umjisa. Let's hope he will have a good career la kaya khona. He won't regret going out of the country, and then things won't go well for him, that he wants to come back and play in PSL. But yeah, I wish him all the best, but deep down I'm hurt that we won't get Isaac Cisse. We won't get him. So we must face the fact that we won't get him. So namhlanje bafethu, I want to say a huge goodbye to Gaston Sereno, one of our players who was doing good in his 2 years spell with Kaizer Chiefs. So I wish him a good luck. He's completed his move to Durban City for good. So good luck to Gaston Sereno. I wish him all the best. I wish I am scared of these players of that leaves Kaizer Chiefs to join other PSL clubs, because they will cause us trouble, Buffett. I'm telling you, they will cause us trouble. So, but yeah, I wish him all the best. I wish Sereno all the best. We might get his replacement, or we have enough chance, I think, because you can throw in him to Duzu Shabalala, you can throw in Ethan Chislett, you can also play Fundo Villagas as a number 10. So we have many options as number 10. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs will really go hard in replacing him, but yeah, I think we are fine in the number 10s. But yeah, just good luck to Gaston Sereno. Good luck to everyone who's leaving Kaizer Chiefs. As we saw, even George Matlo has finalized his move to Stellenbosch. Good luck to him. Yeah, I think Buffett, that's all I have for you on this video. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. If you made it this far, please make sure to subscribe. I would appreciate your subscribe in my channel, like the video, and also do comment down below. Ningitshele ngicabanga ngani with these things engikhulume ngazo. Who do you think is the second player that Kaizer Chiefs will swap for Langelihle Phili? And also, do you think Langelihle Phili is Lilepo's replacement? So do comment down below bafethu kuningi esingakhuluma ngakho on this video. Thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.